Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we will learn about vowels and consonants. So let's go. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet's family. In that family, letters A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. And all letters, other than vowels, are called as consonants. A, E, I, O, U are the special letters, without which we cannot make the words. They are known as vowels. Now let's find the vowels in below examples. B, A, G. Bag, here, A, is vowel. H, E, N. Hen, here, E, is vowel. B, I, N. Bin, here, I, is vowel. D, O, G. Dog, here, O, is vowel. H, U, T. Hut, here, U, is vowel. All other letters are consonants. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's find the consonants in below examples. F, A, N. Fan. Here, F and N are consonants. D, E, N. Den. Here, D and N are consonants. Z, I, P. Zip. Here, Z and P are consonants. T, O, P. Top. Here, T and P are consonants. B, U, S. Bus. Here, B and S are consonants. Now let's find the vowels and consonants in same example. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. Here, O, A, and E are vowels, and R, N, and G are consonants. O, W, L, owl. Here, O is vowel, and W and L are consonants. G, L, U, E. Glue. Here, U and E are vowels, and G and L are consonants. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.